Hello, my wonderful subscriber. How are you all? A warm welcome to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, this is our YouTube channel, and we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So, friends and viewers, stay with us and see our latest dresses designs and stylish videos. My dear viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of leather buckets styles, bags designs for lovely women. My dear friends, these leather buckets styles, handbags designs are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, you will definitely like them all. So friends, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can never miss any future update from my channel, Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, with a log of new fashion trending videos launching seemingly every day, there are more and more chances that my videos influence your next outfit every day. Friends, as you might have noticed, not all my videos are your type, and it's really hard to find a perfect outfit that suits your personality as well as be the right one for the occasion or season. But friends, you can definitely have a perfect sense of wearing of any outfit which you are following my daily outfits videos. So friends and my lovely viewers, we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling, and based on the feedback you are submitting. So my dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of leather buckets styles and bags designs for women, and these are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends, I will wait for your kind comments, and thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all, guys.